Tired of scrolling through your Yahoo inbox trying to find read emails? Here is how to see them all in one click. No more guessing, no more clicking through page after page. You can pull up every single message you have already opened in just a few seconds. We will open Yahoo Mail, find the hidden read folder, and instantly filter your inbox. Let us go. So first things first, head over to mail.yahoo.com and sign into your account. Now this is the same page you use every day, so nothing fancy here. Just get logged in and we are ready for the next part. Once you are in your inbox, look over to the left side of the screen. See that little icon with 3 horizontal lines? That is the menu icon. Go ahead and click it. I find that a lot of people overlook this menu because they are used to just looking at the main inbox view. But this little button opens up a whole list of folders and categories that Yahoo has tucked away. Now here is the part that makes this whole thing work. Once that menu opens up, you will see a list of folders. You have got your inbox, your sent, your drafts, and so on. But what we are looking for is a folder labeled Read. Scroll down through that list until you find it. In my experience, it is usually grouped near the bottom with some of the other system folders. So keep scrolling and you will spot it. Click that Read folder. And just like that, Yahoo Mail will display every single email in your account that has been marked as Read. This is the whole collection. Every message you have already opened, all in one place. No filters to set up, no search terms to type. Just one click and you are there. From here you can do whatever you need to do. Maybe you want to clean up your inbox by deleting old read messages you no longer need. Or maybe you are looking for something you read earlier and cannot find in the main view. Whatever your reason, you have got all your read emails right in front of you. I will often use this to do a big sweep and clear out newsletters or notifications I have already looked at. And that is pretty much it. You are done. Next time you need to find all your read emails, you know exactly where to go. Open that menu, find the read folder, and everything is right there. No need to dig through hundreds of messages or guess where something might be. Just a clean, quick way to see every message you have already opened. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.